Hi everyone, this is Ali Reza. I started recording some video series about how to properly add mods to KSP. In the middle of that, I came face to face with the situation that I'm sure many of you had before. Finding a part in your game data folder without knowing which mod is adding it or what is the part config file name. Now, here's a little tool that I developed. You basically give the path to your game data folder, and then we can see some texts in game. For example, advanced reaction wheel module, comma large, is the title of a part from somewhere, and I'm not sure which one of the mods or even squad has this part. I just see the part in my KSP folder in KSP game, and this is the title of the part. Now this text can be the title, can be part of the description, can be anything, but the title is something that is really useful. So ready? We hit search and bingo. It will go through your KSP data folder, look for every CFG file, read them, and then compare the whole thing, the text, with the text you sent in. If there is any file that passes that condition, it will open a browser window and select the file for you. So now I can see it's in squad, parts, command, advanced SAS module, large. If I want to, I can delete it, or I can open the config file and tweak it. Now, what if I do something derpy? For example, what if I search with radial word? Now, there are tons of folders and configs that use that word. Let's do the search, and here is a warning. There are more than 4 files with the text to search for. Opening them will cause problems. Please narrow down your search. So let's do another thing, radial engine, and do search. And here we go. We see that 1, 2, 3, and 4 folders opened with radial engine. One of them, most of the time, if you have tweak scale, would be the tweak scale, because tweak scale has tons and tons of config files for patches and basically patching other mods. So there is a high chance that tweak scale would always be one of the windows that open. I was thinking about filtering this folder out, but then I thought, no, actually, that can be the one that I'm looking for. So that's one. Then we see a liquid engine blah from squad. And again, another tweak scale and another tweak scale. So right in my current installation, I have only one radial engine from squad. But if I had more, well, guess what? We would have problems, because it would get more than 4 folders and it wouldn't show up. Now you may say, hey, I have this tweak scale patches squad, tweak scale patches, and tweak scale patches. Why it's open twice? Because if you look, one of them is KHSSE tweak scale, the other one is KAX tweak scale. So 2 files has patches for radial engine. That is why I didn't go for one folder opening, but instead I opened 2 folders. And that's it, basically. I hope you download the the program from the link I made inside KSP Kerbal Space Program forum, and the program is called KSP Part Finder application. It's not mod, but it's still very, very useful. Trust me, I was looking for a stupid, by the way, the link will be in the description of the video. I was trying for a very stupid solar panel that was stock and it was in a squad folder, and I looked everywhere in these folders just for the names of the folders, and I couldn't find that. Then I developed this tool, and in less than 2 seconds I found the part and I deleted it because I wanted to remove that part, you know. And after that I installed Impossible Innovations, and it took me only 10 minutes. The exact same time that I was looking for a solar panel, the exact same time was passed and I removed tons of stuff, tons of parts, being it from squad or even sometimes from this mod or other mods, you know. I was just looking around and say, okay, I have 3 different solar panels, I need 1. I have 3 different radiators, I need 1. To reduce my part count, and this was exactly what helped me a lot. Worst case scenario, I think I was waiting for 5 to 6 seconds so that it would search all the files and folders, and then it would count and give me a warning. Now, if you put something that has no meaning, again, it will warn you that nothing was found. If this is empty, well, again, that's space. If this is empty, nothing will happen. Okay, so you need the game data folder, and well, basically this warning tells you, hey, something's wrong. But then, that's it. There's nothing hackish, there's nothing fancy. Basically, all I'm doing, I'm opening these files, I'm reading all the text and doing a single line of if the string that contains my text. Then add it to the list. At the end, I will just read the list number and open Explorers with the file being selected. That's it. I hope you enjoy this tool and have fun with it. This tool exactly becomes handy the more mods you have. And I'm halfway through my mod list, trust me. Sometimes people add mods using CCAN, for example, or I'm not sure if it's called CCAN. And then after 3 or 4 days of gameplay, they notice that there are at least 5 different engines that they are not using at all and will never use. And then they pull their hair that, hey, how can I find that engine? Well, duh. Now you can find it in less than 3 seconds. Have fun. Bye-bye.